You want to keep your Bigfoot on?
Mommy, I take a picture of that with the werewolf. And then I take a picture of that and those.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
There he goes. He's like the lone wolf, you know? The other three have been sticking together. He keeps going a different path.